Guys, this place is well known in the street for having the mystery meats, okay? This is the mystery meat. They just brought in the basket. There's all kinds of food inside. If you look at it, I believe it may be lungs, intestines, other innards from different animals, and usually they put it in the sandwich. So there's always a line here. It's usually just men, but today here I see a couple of women.
Sono le parti che rimangono attaccate alle ossa del vitello.
Okay, it's the parts that are connected to the bones of the veal. So, leftovers.
Leftover meats.
Leftover innards.
Mimmo, i signori ti vogliono guardare, dice, dov'è il vitello? Capito o no?
Okay, Stephen is gonna try it.
Fritolla. You can only find it here in Sicily. Nowhere else in Italy can you find it. So let me show you again what it looks like. On the inside, there's plenty of meat. They definitely were not cheap with just putting a couple of pieces. There are no veggies, all right. When I look at it, I can see some stomach lining, intestine kind of food, bone marrow, pieces of fat. Part of this might be chewy. This is my guess. It looks crispy, again, because it's fried. So I'm gonna try it. This piece right here, look at this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is a stomach.
Yes.
Right? And I'm not a big fan of this kind of thing, but one in Palermo, eat as locals do. Again, this is a breakfast meal, so a very hearty breakfast. They eat this with a cappuccino, I can't believe it. So I'm gonna give it a try. Here we go. Chewy. It's chewy.
What about the taste?
It tastes like a cow. You can taste the cow. Gamey. Not bad, but it's not fantastic. The bread is very salty, so it adds to the flavor. I think I can finish it, but I can't say I'm thrilled. Oh my God, it's the best. It's an interesting taste. I think it's an acquired taste.
Okay, so this guy right here, it has an ape, which is a typical Italian work car. They use these on the farms and the vineyards, but he's using it to sell pizzas. So he goes from different locations. He has an oven right here. He makes the pizzas right there, and good price that he gives. So pizza italiana. San Marzano, pomodoro, of course, the best. Okay, and then he has
Instagram, pizza rare.
Una domanda, che ne pensi della pizza con l'ananas?
No. No, questa cosa con l'ananas.
Assolutamente no.
No, very good.
Boy, answering no.
No, pigna no pizza.
No.
No.
Pizza con la Nutella?
Pizza Nutella, yes. The dessert, yeah.
Okay.
Picanha, no.
Okay, pizza. To show you how much of a pizza guy he is, fa vedere il tatuaggio. He has the tattoo right there.
Sicilia.
And Sicily right there. Non ho sentito. Orazio. Allora prendo una piccola.
Sì.
Margarita, classica. Altrimenti che hai? Gli ingredienti sono
salame, prosciutto, mushroom, artichoke, anchovies, sausage, burrata, Italian burrata.
burrata, sì, burrata, soft cheese, very soft kind of cheese.
Burrata pizza, very good.
Okay, what kind do you want? Just to share one. Now you have, huh?
Capricciosa.
Okay. Quanto per la capricciosa?
Una capricciosa.
Sì. This is the capricciosa. You get a little bit of everything on there to make you happy. So you can see lots of ingredients, a little bit of cheese, basil, artichokes, we got prosciutto.
All right, we're home. And now Merim is gonna have the first bite. You have the honors.
I'm only gonna have one slice.
Look at that, you have to fold it. Is it that good?
Wow. I think I'm gonna have this whole thing.
No, that's mine.
Okay, we've been walking through the streets and I'm sweating. Now for Merim, it's coffee time, so I ordered chiacchierato. Pago qua o con lei? Quante? €2. A posto? Sì?
Accomoda, ti lo porto io.
Ok, posso registrare? Ok, this is why it's called chiacchierato, because you have to shake it. Assomiglia a un cocktail. Però è liscio, no?
Sì.
Sì. So if you say caffè corretto,
Sì.
you get it with alcohol. Il caffè corretto, che tipo d'alcol ha dentro? Caffè corretto.
Corretto dipende o con sambuca o con vecchia romagna, si può fare.
Ok.
Corretto così.
No, è troppo presto adesso per il caffè corretto.
Sì, esatto. Prego.
Ok, grazie.
Questo è amato.
Grazie.
Prego.
Shakerando chili. There it is right there. Alright.
I had this first in my host family's home.
Alright. How was it?
Very strong. I definitely need sugar. I'm hungry for some Nero di Seppia.
Okay, and it is lunchtime. So there was this guy I was talking to down the street the other day, and he said, "Hey, come to my restaurant." I asked him, "Do you have Nero di Seppia?" I got it. So Merim is gonna try it out. All right, this is the menu right here. They're really busy. Let's see what we got on the menu.
Primi piatti. Nero di Seppia is only €6.
Woo! That's what a good.
The other place is €14.
That's right. We've seen it for 12, 14, even 20, right?
Yeah.
Allora, siamo pronti? Ok, uno nero di seppia, mezzo litro di vino bianco, e poi questa qua, frittura mista, cosa c'è dentro? Ci sono le vongole?
Gambari o calamari?
Ok, niente di vongole perché sono allergico. Va bene, va bene.
Gambari o calamari?
Va bene, ok.
Poi
Basta così.
mezzo bianco.
Sì, grazie.
Wow.
This means delicious in Italian. See, the locals are very friendly, and they're in a hurry because it's a big city and there's a lot of tourism. But for the most part, they're very warm, especially if you speak Italian.
Well, this cafe only has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables, right? And all of them are packed.
First plate in. Okay, so this is a frittura mista. Right here we have calamaris. Here we have octopus, and here we have gamberone. Ooh, it's very hot with a little bit of
These
lemon.
are king prawns.
King prawns right here. Now, along with this seafood, you should also be drinking white wine right here. So, no, white wine with fish, red wine with meat, red meat
Well,
usually.
this looks like a homemade wine.
Vino della casa. No Nero di Seppia.
We gotta come back tomorrow.
So, what did you get instead?
Pasta with shrimp and tomatoes.
Again, seafood. Look at that. Wow.
Pretty simple, but it's probably really delicious.
Okay. ti chiami?
Anis.
Anis. Ok, e cosa vuoi dire a tutti i turisti che vogliono venire qua a mangiare?
Mangia, prova il Bersaglieri, qua mangia molto buono.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing le arancine, or you might know it as arancini. Nadim is about to try a special arancino. All right. Now here's the thing about arancini. In other parts of Sicily, they call them arancino, un arancino, which is masculine. But here, una arancina. So it changes.
I like it better.
Which one?
Arancina.
Arancina. Okay, arancina. So which one did you order?
Arancina con carne.
From carne, so ragu style. Go ahead. So it's basically a rice ball with meat. No tomatoes actually. This is just a straight meat one.
Some vegetables inside.
Some vegetables. How is it?
So good.
Good. And only €2.50. Yeah, cheap. Okay, and then I got right here arancino alla norma. Norma is eggplant and tomato. Let's see.
Pagamento approvato.
I think they add some spices to the rice so that it becomes kind of orange, yellow. It's really good.
But you know, anything deep fried always tastes fantastic.
It's a good snack.
Yeah, excellent snack. These are the uncooked ones, already prepped, and they put them in the deep fryer right there, and they come out looking golden brown like this. So here they have meat, they have butter and spinach arancino. As I mentioned earlier, un amore di arancina. It's a feminine here. So l'arancina, le arancine, and in other parts of Sicily, it's un arancino, gli arancini. Small difference.
Sicily is the place to try cannoli, and I'm about to have my first one.
We just bought 2 cannolis. Un cannolo, 2 cannoli. This one is the typical one with ricotta, and this one is not your typical one. It is filled with some kind of pistachio cream. So Nadim is going to be the first one to sample. Okay, so this is the traditional one?
Ricotta cannolo.
Okay. What do you think?
Reminds me of that cornetto with ricotta.
Okay, the one from Malta, right? All right. Try the other one now. All right, this is the pistachio one. Pistachio. So here, like in other parts of Sicily and some parts of Italy, they have ice cream inside the brioche. Brioche is kind of sweet bread. I've had it once, years ago, and once was enough. The last thing we want to show you is milza, spleen from a veal. I had it once long ago, and it was the only thing in Italy that I could not finish. So, that is why I'm not trying it again. But would you try it?